Get ready to cozy up your home with the most exciting fall decor trends of the season. As the temperatures drop and the leaves start to change, it's the perfect time to give your space a warm and inviting makeover. But here's the thing. This year's trends are all about embracing the unconventional and having fun with it. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about throwing some pumpkins and pine cones around the room. It's about creating a cohesive and stylish atmosphere that reflects your personality. To help you achieve this, we've tapped into the expertise of two renowned interior designers, LaMarque and Chou, who share their insights on the top 7 fall decor trends that will define this season. So, let's dive in and explore the exciting world of autumnal design. Meet LaMarque, principal and founder of LaMarque Design Studio, and Chou, interior designer and founder of Design Determination, who are here to guide you through the latest and greatest in fall decor. One trend that's taking the design world by storm is the use of statement stone pieces, such as bold bathroom vanities and dramatic side tables with rich veining. As LaMarque puts it, fall brings a strong shift toward warm, cozy textures and natural materials, which helps create comfortable, grounded spaces. But what really sets this trend apart is the emphasis on earthy materials and the desire to bring the outdoors in. And this is where it gets interesting. With the rise of maximalism, people are no longer content with bland, mass-produced furniture. Instead, they're craving unique, custom pieces that reflect their individuality. As Chou notes, homeowners are craving personality and custom finishes, whether it's a brushed bronze lamp base or a hand-stained side table. The good news is that you don't need to break the bank to get in on this trend. Simple DIY updates like refreshing a dresser with a matte paint finish or swapping out cabinet pulls for brushed nickel or aged brass can make a big impact. Another trend that's making waves this season is the use of saturated, nature-inspired hues. Think earthy midtones with thoughtful accents like clay and terracotta, olive and moss, and honeyed ochre, all set against deep indigo or smoky plum. As Chou puts it, it's a nod to nature but still feels fresh and modern. And the best part, these palettes are a welcome departure from the bland, neutral tones that have dominated the design world for so long. But here's the controversy. Are these bold, nature-inspired hues too much for some spaces? Or are they just what we need to shake things up and add some personality to our homes? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. In addition to these bold color palettes, vintage accents are also making a comeback this season. As people become more environmentally conscious, they're looking for ways to incorporate sustainable design choices into their homes. And what better way to do this than by repurposing old, second-hand furnishings in creative and unexpected ways? As LaMarque suggests, bring back a few items that you might have put away and consider repurposing them. Reupholster an old chair, hang your grandmother's chandelier, or display your flea market finds. This trend is not only eco-friendly, but it's also a great way to add some unique character to your space. Sculptural forms are another trend that's gaining traction this season. From ceramic vases with curvy silhouettes to candlesticks with playful lines, these pieces are both functional and decorative. As Chou notes, sculptural design can be surprisingly affordable. Try a ceramic vase with a curvy silhouette, candlesticks with playful lines, or a table lamp with a rounded base. And the best part? These pieces can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to even the most mundane spaces. Cozy, irregular textures are also a hallmark of this season's trends. Think boucle throws, rattan surfaces, and raw wood accents, all of which layer beautifully to create warmth and dimension. As Chou puts it, tactile comfort is having a moment. But what really sets this trend apart is the emphasis on rugged, rough textures that add depth and visual interest to a space. Finally, curvy silhouettes are making a comeback this season, with gentle curves and playful organic lines adding a sense of ease and warmth to everyday rooms. As LaMarque notes, We're seeing gentle curves in furniture pieces, joining vintage and retro silhouettes, creating atmospheres with timeless, comfortable elegance. So, which of these trends resonates with you the most? Do you have a favorite fall decor trend that you just can't get enough of? Let us know in the comments. And if you're feeling inspired to give your space a seasonal makeover, be sure to check out our related articles on elevated fall decorations and valuable pieces of furniture to look for at thrift stores.